do off my phone. Alright, so I mean we got our entry. We got our entry over here. Down here, confirm. This is like over here. It's gonna be New York session. Stock exchange. Alright, so when I'm back testing, as y'all can see, I got to see what news is active that day. So we're on the third. So today we had 10 o'clock news. Got to keep track of all that. 10 o'clock news. We got the date, entry time we get out, the model I'm using, whether I'm using my London model or my New York model, whether I win or lost, my R to R, and then obviously the news, and then any extra notes I want to take out, I want to put in. And I also keep a picture of every trade that I take. Um, like, for example, if I click on this, it's going to take y'all to the picture of the trade that I took. Oh my, it's not showing the arrows. It's cool though. So we're gonna take out every trade I took with the back tester for my back tester. All my trades and stuff. I took this trade over here, but I guess it's not showing, so I gotta do a screenshot instead or use the tool. All right, so now we're on the third. This is a trade I got set up. Let's see what happens. Okay, stop loss got hit. Why though? Why did the stop loss get hit? We got an SMT. Okay, wrong direction. Then we want to higher previous month highs on NQ. Non 30 manipulation. No SMT at the bottom though. It's cool. Copy link. So we put lose. This is negative 1 RR because so this is a loss. As y'all see, bro, I'm winning more in London than I do New York. My R to R is crazy though. I got 2 losses, 3 wins, but I'm still up over 20 R to R on the month. Just do back testing. Clear this out. Why can't I see my own? Alright, so we go on to the next day. We will sure take out that previous day highs, S&T between the two. Previous month highs too close though. I want to see us take out previous month highs. Alright, boom. Previous month highs, we got an S&T. So I want us to go lower. Boom. We could go higher though. Let's see. Waiting to London show. We still got an SMT. Where's previous Mohawks on NQ? I mean ES. Probably up out of here. Alright, so we'll go down to the 5 minute. 5 minute. Alright, so if you want to go short off this, you can. Like, okay, London session just opened up. We use London, M&A open prices support. Let's see what's over here. I think we're at all-time highs. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. Both of these. This one you gotta pull YM out. Okay, we hit all-time highs. No trade that day. Wait. Damn, I pushed too fast. This is a Tuesday. Came back to the 50%. Continued off. I want to trade this day anyways. So we're going to do 12 for. I gotta put in with that trade I lost. When did I lose it? I had lost it by 1 o'clock. So, this won't be fair because I already seen it, so I'm not gonna do it. I want to, but it wouldn't be fair to. Or yes, it would. Who am I? I'm gonna fucking rewind it. It won't be fair. I can't even do this one. It won't be fair to use this one. Trade came back to the 15-minute gap. That'd be pretty cool. Hee! Damn. My dumb ass pressed held play too long, so I can't even count that. So we gotta go to the next day too and put NA. Because you gotta be when you doing this shit, you gotta be realistic, bro. You can't be cheating and shit, or you won't get the progress that you want. What's the problem, bro? What the fuck? There you need to go.
Yo,
What's up? I'm on stream.
You on stream?
Yeah, I'm back testing the years worth of data.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
You back to Tuesday, you get your character?
Mm-hmm. Both. Well, London and New York. If I hit in London, I'm not trading New York. But if I sit down on my hands, I'll trade New York. Basically. But I'm gonna call you right after. Then let me call you after. So we can talk. All right. Come on, huh? Let's see. I need to pull out YM, but YM is so unreliable, bro. Alright, so as of right now, we have SMT. Still got SMT. So now, go down to the 2-minute time frame. No SMT yet. Oh, we do got a SM2. We got equal highs. And so off this BPR. Damn, missed it. So we got the SMT. ES made equal highs. NQ put in a new high. We got the BPR. We can sell off stop loss at the highs. Yeah, we'll go to TP at the lows just because. So I'll be entering my trade at 2:28 in the morning. 2:28. London. None of those. Let's see. Damn. Cook. SMT again. I'll retry the trade. The right thing show up. Where 3 o'clock at? 3 o'clock. I need to pull out one, yo. Damn. Off the breaker. CP almost hit. Off the breaker. Alright, so when trading this, I would have used my TP on ES because, like, if you look over here in my notes, it says if I was entering a trade on NQ, it's okay to get out if ES take out a key level. So that means if I'm in on NQ, if I'm in these shorts like I was, right? I'm in these shorts and I'm targeting age of lows. This caused the SMT with us taking out the age of lows on ES and not NQ. So I would have got out if I seen ES take the lows and NQ didn't. NQ eventually came seconds later and took it out. So TP would have hit off the breaker later in London after 3 o'clock. Let's trade. Oops. Remember, bruh, y'all gotta be honest. So 3:20 in the morning. The first attempt was an L. Lost, no news. Attempt number 1. Same attempt in London session went. Entry was at 450, 445. TP got hit. 6:20 in the morning. And then 1. RR was a 104. No news. 2. London. Lee, New York. So because I won in London, or after London, whatever you want to call it, I would then leave New York alone for this day. I'm trying to get used to hitting it one session and being done for the whole day. No more trading multiple sessions, because when you trade multiple sessions, you're giving yourself more of a chance to lose. SMT right there. We can go bullish for New York. Yep. Continue higher, reaccumulation. Wait, this is Tuesday. Look at that. Told you. Continue higher, take out that previous day high. Like it, bro. No, it's real fucking predictable. I just walked. I just walked this whole trade out. What is this? Yes, bro. So fucking predictable, bro. So predictable. Walked up to the whole. I knew he was going for the higher price. That was on the Friday, number 6. Yep. I would have left that alone. So then I would have came back that Sunday. I would have came back that Sunday. Market would have closed. Speed of the tongue. It's still Friday. This big ass SMT. All right, now we back on the next week. I think so far I'm up on the account on like back testing. So my performance. Why? Oh, I started over. Damn. Okay, I guess. All right. So in this instance, I probably would we expanding. I want to see as we trace back down to this inversion. See what's going. The entry happened right here. So let's say I want to get in early pre-session. Stop loss right here. TP is we're gonna target relative equal highs up here. Confirm. Outside of my rules too. Ugh. So you have when you trade outside the rules. All right, now on the session is starting. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Okay, that would have been my first attempt for the day. All right, now let's get into my second attempt. So, me personally, deviations on here. Okay, we go here. Yes. We inverse this. Perfect. Look at the fucking. I couldn't even get that entry from up there. I want to see us here. Blocking. My face cam. Blocking. Top left. Oh, hold on. Why shit so big? Transition. Alright. Look at the entry off of the fucking inversion that I said. Told you, inverse. I would have targeted, realistically, I would have targeted Asia lows. Oh, let me put my sell thing on there. I keep forgetting to put the shit on there. Sell thing on there. Asia lows. This would have been a trade right here. Let's see. Okay, we in profit. Now you want to look over here. Make sure neither one of these swept Asia lows beforehand. If you want, you can move your stop loss down to a recent higher sum or go to break even. Risk-free trade. Confirm. TP hit. Simple. So that was London session right there. This is the 9th, that Monday. So we got 12/09/2024. Entry came, we're going to say that was 4:04 a.m. 4:04 a.m. Trade ended, would have ended while we were asleep, 4:58 a.m. This would be London session. That's a win. This is a 1-9 R to R if you round it up. No news, London session. Leave New York alone. Secure. Okay, on to the next day. Nigga sound crazy. Alright. So we're on to the next day. We're gonna leave New York alone because I would have won in New York. So we're gonna leave it alone. Ooh. Damn, bro. London Pen high today. Look, we got an SMT on it right now. That's why we had that retracement. NQ coming back to take out the lows. No? No way. Alright. Damn, I would have caught. That would have been high today. Look how much money I left on the table. Now, I'm going to have multiple accounts to where it's like, I'm going to have one account that do like base hits. And then I'm going to have another account that just holds the whole move. It's either stop loss or break even. So that was that. So you come here. Took a picture, copy link. Damn, I didn't take a picture of none of these fucking trades. Damn, I forgot to take a picture of these. Oh, I can go back and do it, I think, I believe. Yep, there we go. This is a win. Copy link. Paste. My loss is right. Where's my loss at? Oh, it's right here. Gotta keep track of all this stuff, bro. It's gonna make sense in the long run. Collecting data is gonna help you with all this, bro. What was this? Well, I forgot to do this one. The 3rd of December. This was it right here. So what am I doing? This is the 6th. I didn't look. Oh, that's the first attempt though. Okay, that's why. So this go right here. This gonna go right here. First attempt was it right here? Make sure I got everything together. 3rd, 3, 4. New York. Monday no news, max expansion. Oh, that's why. Okay, hold on. The 6th, I tried that twice. The first 6 was the loss. Where did I lose the first one? Oh, it was right here. I lost the second one. This is New York. New York, I lost. No news. Attempt number 1. Damn, bro. I'm getting cooked. And they, those don't count. I didn't do those. So now we're on the 10th. So now we go to the 10th. Yep. 10, 2024. These previous week lows right here. I want us to go lower off rip, but I don't know. We got an SMT right now. So until this SMT, well, in order for this SMT not to hold, we would need previous day highs to be ran. So I don't know. But the only scary thing about this is if you like take all the drawings off. I got a picture of it, so I don't need it no more. But this is a sell model, so this is your sell curve right here. This is your sell curve. We got the first drop, we reaccumulate. Second drop, reaccumulate, and then we can have a third drop to sell some liquidity down here. Lows being taken out. So this is your sell model right here. But if this SMT hold, this can start its buy curve up until these previous day highs right here. All right, so we still got the SMT on previous day lows, and now we have another SMT on Asia lows. Now I would have been real confident to take this trade, not gonna lie. So we got SMT, Asia lows. We got two SMTs. So we got an SMT on the previous day lows right here, and then we got an SMT on the Asia lows. So I'm jumping down to the 5-minute. I ain't got no inversion. So if we pull back in this gap and hold, I'll enter off of this. Gotta be fair. SMT still holding. Them lows right there. We might just go ahead and take those out. This nigga jigging. Nah, it's recording. Jigga. Hold on. It's gonna happen. I know it. We never came back down. Took out this low. SMT held, sent us higher. I don't think we go that high though. Okay, boom. Yeah, that was low day. Not gonna lie. Look how close it I'll be to getting that mother. Let's see how I could have did better this day. Got in down here. All right, so boom, right here. SMT put in. I'm not gonna say I would answer this because I didn't see it. So we move on to New York. For New York, we had this shift right here. Ferrari got breaker block. It's already a sped ahead, so I'm not gonna count it as something I would have got in. I low-key want us to go lower. Let me look for a short entry. Oh, we got a fat ass SMT. Hold on. New York. Oh yeah, I want shorts. Oh yeah, right out this area. Oh wait, nah, we finna break that. Okay, hold on. Magic, no. Okay. All right, we get up here in this max expansion. I like to sell out of there. All right, so boom. I'm looking for shorts. This is an official analysis right here. So I'm looking for shorts. Um, nothing yet. All right, we inverse this. Now, hypothetically speaking, I'm saying this now. If it come back into this inversion, I will enter this trade. I will enter this right here. So we gonna put a limit right here. Can I get like a stop loss or shit? Yeah. Damn. Okay. All right. Fuck it. I just want my stop loss to be hit. So we're gonna say my stop loss is at the high, right here, if it do trigger, and we're gonna target the previous day lows. Finally, after they get hit. It's crazy, bro. I and that's crazy. That would have been a crazy trade though. TP would have been right there to hit. TP would have smacked. Right idea, no entry point. Now, let's say I ain't gonna lie, if I was by myself, like if I like in real deal time, I would have chased that. I would have chased that entry. We already had inverse the fair value gap. We reaccumulated right here. Pull it back. Would have been cooked. Would have cooked that shit. Great trade though. Great trade. That would have been a 1 to 8 R to R. I'm not gonna count it though because I'm not going off of a. I'm not going off of a what if basis. I'm going off of a if I when I enter on here. So I'm gonna keep it fair. So no trade for the day. For that day. That was a good trade though. Mm, mm, that was a good trade, bro. That was a good trade. Very good. Let me put an unapplicable in here now. Gotta be fair, gotta be real with data. You cannot cheat data, bro. You cannot cheat data, or it's gonna cheat you, or it's gonna cheat you, bro. It's gonna cheat you. That was a beautiful trade, though. I ain't gonna lie. I would have. So we go to the next day. Look at this. That would have been a 1 to 8 RR. Deviation into mass expansion. Mass expansion reversal. Pretty sure we had an SMT or YM, maybe. Well, time frame is on. No, we didn't. No, no. I'll be needing to see the SMT, bro. No SMT. Still a sexy trade. I just wish I would have got triggered to get in. All right, so back to ES. So remember, ES already sold them previous lows. NQ dragged ES down so it can get there. If we look at YM, it's YM. Yep, YM was already under there too. So NQ was the only one that was out of sync. Oops. So let's clear this. Move drawing. Get back to it. All right, so at this point you can move for price. It's something. All right, boom. Now, if this all lines up together, ES take out previous week lows. NQ falls right in here. I can see his bottoming out. This some sexy ass accumulation. This accumulation is sexy as hell. All right, boom. We're gonna let it play out. Now this, damn, why did it? Just messed up my whole little thing. Now this is something I'll enter off of our accumulation. So we got our accumulation. We manipulated higher. Start of London session. There you go. Now I'm targeting. Now with this trade, I won't. I'm gonna hold until ES take out these two key levels. Where the fuck is my I'll put it at this high right here. TP is gonna be. We're gonna put previous day lows. Confirm. Now I'm holding until I really want to hold it lower, but I'm holding until ES takes out the previous day low or the previous week low. So my target, because remember you can use the other indices to you can use the other indices to take profits and stuff, right? So I want ES to take out these flows. All right, so as we can see, we shifted below Asia lows, shifted Ferrari gap entry, and we going up. By this point, I would have got out. Not gonna lie. Once you see a change, a shift under going the opposing way, that's your sign to get out. But I'm gonna keep playing it just because. Oh shit! I thought it stopped out. Damn, it came back. All right, boom. Loss. This is the manipulation right here. But sometimes you got to go against the grain. We finna go to the previous highs. What today is? Tuesday? Let's see. Mm-hmm. Misread it. I know it. Sexy. I want us to go lower though. So just wrong in a moment. Got cooked. I'll take a picture of this. Hold on. Don't cheat the data, my boys. My stop loss is right here. We're gonna pull it over. I was trying to target previous day lows. Okay. Screenshot. Copy link. So we're gonna do, this is what, the 11th, 12, 11, 2024. Entry time, 2:20 in the morning, 2:20 a.m. Exit time, I held all the way to the New York session, that's why. It stopped me out at 8:15 a.m. I would have been asleep. 8:15 a.m. Where the fuck did this go? Why is this not right here? London, we lost. What's wrong with the Dropbox? -1 R. Misread the direction on Tuesday. Jeez. I'm mad because I can't alright, until next day. Alright, so just off the higher time frame, we got a unicorn model on ES. I would like us to set us lower. Are they parading outside? Hold on. Oh no, I think the fight on. I forgot that the fight was on today. That My son sleep. Alright. Yep, and we can have SMT. Yep. Yep. Let's see where we at. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, damn it. No. I knew it was gonna go lower. I knew it was gonna go lower. Hold on. Damn, it went too fast. But as y'all can see, I already had it marked out. Go to the 5 minute. Because we got all this accumulation. Accumulate. Open up. Bro, this shit is throwing me off. It's moving too fast. Okay. Inversion. And come back up into here, sell. There we go. Why did it happen right there? That's not where I tried to enter at. Alright. Nigga, I'm not. What the fuck? This nigga weird, bruh. Yeah, I need to slow it down to like 3. Now for this trade, not gonna lie, I'd have been OD confident. I'm trying to get better at like holding my trades to TP. So let's see what price would it did. No! Oh my, oh my goodness. And it's gonna go without me, I think. That was crazy. All this left on the table. Okay, so if that entry would have held, I would have been good all day. But I lost. The PD rate, it held, but I got wicked out. Was it SMT somewhere? Yep, SMT right here. Took out London highs. Wait for SMT. Took out London highs on ES. We did not on NQ. That's where I messed up at for this trade. So we're gonna document it. Let's see. We entered right here. Stop loss is right here. So it got hit. Let's see. Make sure I entered over here. Stop loss got hit right here. Oh yeah. This is the 12th. 2012, 2024. Entry 3:48 a.m. Should I got stopped out like 10 minutes later? 3. Nope. Probably like 50. Make sure that's right. Oh, 4 o'clock. Yep, I knew it. I stopped that right after before it dropped. London, you lost. -1 R. No news. Didn't wait for an SMT like we discussed. Price. All right, so just through less than a month. We got. Let me see. From the 28th to the 12th. So what's that, like a week and a half? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 losses with that's a 50% win rate. But we have 10, 11, 12, 12, 20, 24, 33. This is off the wins. You up 33R. You up 33R for the month, but you gotta subtract. So 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. You up 29 RR for the month just off this right here. Just off in a week and a half, a week, bro. You up 22R on these couple days. 14 days, 2 weeks. You up 20. That's what I'm saying. Like when I do this plan with when I'm doing this plan with these fundeds, and I actually follow my plans and everything, it's over with. And this is with a 50% win rate. This off me trading both sessions. This not even me just sticking to London. Because if I had I stayed from New York, this loss wouldn't be here. This loss wouldn't be here. This is my journal, yeah. You got the date, entry, exit time, model, win, loss, RR, news. I got a picture of all my trades that I took for the wins and losses. So if you click on them, you'll see it. See, everybody should most definitely make them a journal. I got a video dropping tonight too. I know I ain't posting like 2 weeks. No, I ain't posting like a month. I'm tripping. I ain't post, but it's gonna get real critical. Gonna get back critical. Dada, what's on sleep? But this is how I back test, y'all. Oh, got a heavy ass SMT. Woo. See, I would stay away from this day. This day just expanding like this. The most you can do on these type of days, enter early on this. I can't see it's going. It's already going. I can't even enter. I want to. It's already going. Yep. It's going. Told you, most you can do is enter early. Fat ass SMT. Inside to -2. I would have seen this and I would have liked to enter. The only thing I'm scared of is London manipulating higher on ES, dragging NQ up, hitting my stop loss. That's the only thing that I will be nervous of. So we finna see. Or down this. See, I didn't enter yet because I knew them highs are right there. Them highs are right there. There's no point of going against the grain. Now, if we inverse the bullish PD array on NQ, I'll enter. Okay, boom. We got our drop. We got the SMT on previous day highs. We inversed bullish gap. Didn't get in yet. Shit pissed me off. Let me see. Let me just. All right. Boom. I had to adjust my deviations. All right, now look. This is my real deal entry. Now it's scary because, like I said, ES could just be dragging us up, dragging NQ up. But when we inverse this first, I'm really getting it this time. I'm real confident in this shit. We ain't inverse one yet. Boom. Okay. Look. We come back up into this breaker I'm in. Look. Fuck. My speed. I gotta turn my speed down. So this is the retest on the breaker that I had. I want to go short. Stop loss above these candles right here. And then for our TP, Asian session was never taken out. This is a trade right here. We're going to see what happens. Bruh. Then we go down. It's fucking pathetic, bruh. Once again, bruh, nigga, did not wait for the SMT. Gotta wait for that SMT, bruh. SMT happened right there. Right after I got stopped out. It happened. 9:30 manipulation. Yeah, macro opened up. So here, if you use the single candle button, not the other. What's that? Oh, this? Damn, Jigga. What was it? Nah, Jigga. It's like if I don't hit in London, I'm gonna trade New York. I just lost my session. Hold on. Where I'm at. So I was on 12, 13. My butt's starting to hurt. Get up on the chair. Dang, bro. Still up over 20 R for the month. Well, for this last 2 weeks that's happening. December what though? December 12. So 13th. All right, back to it. That's crazy, bro. SMT happened right after the fact that I got stopped out. It's so beautiful though, cause it's like, bro, it's just so like obvious. When you lose, bro, it's literally you literally the reason. There's no other reason, feel me, on why you lost. It's either you or because the market never wrong. What's this? Oh, okay, bet. I got you. All right, so y'all see how it's like we got the SMT. We got the SMT deviations. The SMT side, that's why we dropped. Low, high, low right here. You got us right in -2. Went against my own, bro. Went against my own. Went against my own. We had an SMT in a -2. Worked out beautifully, bro. Worked out so beautifully. We got to document this. Same thing. So as y'all can see, when I'm back testing, I'm doing my data and shit. My losses be coming from breaking my rules. What'd you say AO for? Nigga, weird. What'd you say AO for? So I entered off of this. Stop losses above here. Targeted Asian lows. Got stopped. Here. Entry was 905. And was before 930. That's another nigga bit to be out at 9010, ain't it? I mean 910. We got New York session. It's a loss. -1 RR. I'm gonna say no news because shit. Let me see. 6, 7, 12. Yep. See, I didn't look at this. I was past. We had news. Yep. 8:30 news though. 8:30. Again, went against my system. Well deserved loss. Well deserved loss. Damn, my hands hurt. But as y'all can see, bro, every loss I'm taking, this was all you got to back test because you start finding out. Oh, this is why every loss is needed, because you start finding out why, bro. Like, why am I taking these losses? Why is the trade not going my way? Why this? Why that? Why this? Why that? And I'm starting to see like my losses only come from when I'm trading outside my model. Like, because I can trade New York, my model goes into New York, but when I don't have that SMT and the deviations, bro, it's a loss every single time. Loss, 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 loss. Feel me? So it look, I took we on day 15 out of 15 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I lost 6 days, right? But I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I won 5, so I'm a little under a 50% win rate, bro. Look at the R to R on my wins versus my losses. Mind y'all all know I risk 175 per trade. So let's pull out the calculator. I risk 175 to make 1,500, if not more. So we got 175 times how many days I lost. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 175 times 6 equals. So I'm down. I'm negative $1,000, right? So no, let's do worst case scenario. Let's do worst case scenario. Sometimes I risk 250. So 250 times 6. 1,500, lost 1,500 over the course of 2 weeks. Now, if we take that same R to R and do the wins, we have a 1 to 9. So we have a 1 to 9, a 1 to 4, 1 to 6 R, 1 to 7, and a 1 to 5. So that means that'd be 250 times 9, 250 times 4, 250 times 6. We're going to do all the math. Times 9. That's our. Nigga, off that one day, all 6 losses are cleared, but we're going to keep on going. 250, because remember, it's a 1 or whatever, so you're just doing multiplication. Just off that 1 to 9, whole 2 weeks is clear green. 250 times 4, 3 plus 250 times 7, plus 250 times 5. 6, that's, it was negative. The lowest I went in like money is negative 1,500 versus being net positive 6,250. That's with, bro, that's not with a high win rate. That's with less than a 50% win rate. Y'all be going to these gurus and these mentors and all that, bro. They be selling y'all a dream, bro. Selling y'all a dream, and I'm showing y'all how to be up net in 2 weeks, 15 days, $6,250 in 16 days, while having less than a 50% win rate. And this just off me bullshitting for the. I'm talking to my friends right now. Jigga in here still, I think. This is just all. I'm not even like really like locked in like back testing. I'm just going off what I see. We in here in the chat bullshitting right now. This off bullshit back testing, and it's up 6K for the month just off this. Now, when I was off the charts by myself, this is the first couple I had: 3 wins, 2 losses. So, I'm just taking y'all through the process and you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Why is this following me? Like, damn. All right. So everyone I click on is gonna follow me. All right. I'm gonna take a break, bro. How am I gonna lay with my son? I think I'm gonna go lay with my son. Hold on. Be right back. Let me go see what my son's doing. I think he's asleep. All right, I'm back. I'm back. My son laying down. Had to go tuck my son in. You niggas ain't had no dad to go tuck y'all in when y'all sleep. Feel me? Y'all ain't had no dad to tuck y'all in when y'all sleep. Not just playing. I'm my fault. Hope I didn't bring up any past trauma. All right. Now we have another SMT, right? Did I take a picture of this? No, I did not. I didn't take a picture of the last 2 losses. Gonna get cooked like that. 13th. 13th. You niggas ain't had no dad, brother. Come tuck y'all in that night. When y'all hurting. Feel me? Y'all ain't had no dad to do that. My son got a dad to come tuck him in when he feeling down. Copy break. Then the 11th. This is the 12th. The 11th I misread too. Oh yeah. This too. Yep, I misread the direction. Want us to go lower. This was obviously manipulation after 2:30. I know, but you know what I realized? London session has a Judas swing at 2:30. 2:30 reversal, bro. London has especially if it causes the SMT. London has a Judas swing. I didn't know that. Not gonna lie. Until I start, back testing and collecting data and stuff. I didn't know London had a Judas swing. Paste. Yeah, that was. Yeah, I didn't know that. I didn't know. Against went. Oh, not this. Again, when against me up. Okay. No Sun Young, yeah, like a swing. Big Bang Tank, Love Bank. This is on Google Sheets. Oh, hold on. I gotta mute myself though. Lady is calling. Hold on, guys.